My name is Nadina. I live in Burlington, New Jersey, and I love to cook. I'm 80 years old. We don't go too much out to eat. I don't like. I cook at home and eat good what I wanted, and the kids, they love it. When they come and see me, Mama, what are you going to cook? When they come over here, I make a chicken cutlet, roast beef, homemade pasta. I take the trash outside, and I pick it up with the handle and push. Then, I don't know, the wheel probably pick it up a little stone or something, and I'll stand up, and went this way. I go and fall down, just face down, and I want to get up, and I do like this, and this I can do. It was paining so much. Me, when this happened, I said, oh my God, and I can do nothing no more. I was so worried. My granddaughter, she worked with Rothman. She make an appointment. The doctor, Rothman, told me the wrist is broken. He looked at me and put me in a cast. He did a good job. Entire office and nice people, the way they treat me, look like I'm home with my family. I'm so happy, you don't believe it. I recommend it to everybody, go Rothman. That's the best doctor you can find. Rothman specializes on risk. So I can specialize on cooking.